All right, folks, here are three chart requests, three stocks here over here from the Discord. If you guys have chart requests, just put them in right here inside the chart requests. I'm just taking them right here from the chat. The first one we're looking at here today is going to be HIMS. HIMS is one of my favorite stocks right now. As you guys know, we use a number of indicators here, but one way to tell we're in a bear market or in a downtrend is when we are down below our EMA ribbon. Okay, so if you guys do not have our indicators that we talk about in these videos, you guys can download them right here under the onboarding tab by coming over here to the trading indicator, and this will all load into your TradingView account. But like I said before, okay, when we're down below the EMAs, that's when we're in a bear market. So we've been in a bear market since all the way back here in October of 2025. Okay, when we're up above the EMAs, we're trending up. When we're down below it, we're getting rejected, getting rejected, getting rejected. Okay, but when we break out over the EMAs, that's when the bulls step in. That's when the bulls take over. So when you see the breakout happen, and again, we bought HIMS down here off this signal, right? We want to buy when the wave is down here. The blue wave is down here on the weekly chart. Okay, given a green dot. We got that signal back in February. HIMS was sitting right here at $14. This signal came, the last time we got that signal was all the way back in 2023. So that was a 3-year time frame until we got this signal here from our indicator. That literally called the bottom right there at 14. It's now up 100% since that time. And I just really like this name. So it broke out over the EMAs. It pulled back into the EMAs. And now you got a green dot on the daily here. They do have earnings next week, but I could see this stock back up here between 50 and 60 in the matter of no time. This looks very bullish. One of my favorite stocks right now. The next one's going to be Sofi. So Sofi is down below the EMAs. Okay, we attempted to break out, but we failed. Okay, they had their earnings. They actually released earnings, and they actually did pretty good, but they failed. So Sofi on the weekly this week printed a red dot. So again, this is a caution, right? This is, hey, we could be going lower. So what we do when we get a red dot on the weekly chart is we set a stop loss at the previous low. So if you look at the previous low, it's right here from March. Okay, so we put that stop loss right there at like 1480. I'd put it at 1480. If it breaks 1480, I would sell it. But if we can hold this support level at 15 on Sofi, I think Sofi still looks really good. One thing I like about Sofi is the fact that it's right here into the blue line. That blue line on our indicators, and again, that's part of that trading indicator you guys can download over there. But that blue line represents the mean. Okay, the average. We never want to buy way up off the average. The mean is just another word for average. How we know we're getting a fair price for an asset is we buy it at that average. That blue line represents their average price over 4 years. So we're sitting right at the average price. Again, everyone's talking about Sofi up here at 30 bucks when we're way up off the mean. Okay, we never want to buy in those areas. We want to buy close to the mean or below the mean. And the last one's going to be BBAI. This one's also looking really good. We got the dot right down there around $3, pumping, looking really good.